Hey guys, video on energy fuels. Before zooming in, just to remind you again, either we're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a direct move up, or could be 1, A, B, C. So then the green wave 2 moves to here, and we will extend this correction for a bit longer, okay? Regardless of which scenario, ultimately we will move up. Earnings was today in the morning. Not important, the numbers here. More important is that they said that, yeah, they had a record output on uranium and rare earths. They also acquired the largest rare earth mine outside of China. So looking good, okay? And yeah, on the weekly still this chart looks really good. A 5-wave move here, 1, 2, and then here, yeah, 1. We have to now wait, was this the 2 or will this extend? It will depend on what price does after this. No, not after this, in this area. Because if you want to extend this ABC, we need this to be the top, because this is a 3-wave move. So if we show weakness and lose the point of control here and invalidate this potential wave 4 locally with the 618, then it will be, to me, confirmed that we're gonna do this C wave. If we hold this and if we move up, make a new high, we will have a 5-wave move up. You can't have a 5-wave move up in a wave B, so then the likelihood of this being an ABC goes down. This being a 1, 2, and then this being another 1, 2, increases in probabilities. Of course, then there's a third scenario, being that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 still playing out here, but we will have to wait and see what price does after we make this 5th wave, how the price corrects afterwards, okay? If it shows strength and then volume kicks in with the next leg up, then we know, okay, this is already the 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're gonna go more directly to the upside. Zooming in, I did add a subwave here. Already had this 1, 2 in on my chart, and then I did add this secondary 1, 2 as well. We did test the 618 here 2 times today. I did draw this box here as well to indicate, yeah, the 0.5, 0.618, the point of control of this range, and then also this gap. This candle never closed, so we might maybe test this one as well at $21.03. What else I can do is check where the 1-to-1 is. It's at 20.82. And then we have the 786 still. So we could actually extend this box like this. Okay. Yeah, I know it's a large area, but I still want to see this 5th wave, okay? That's my primary scenario. It would just look so much better instead of dropping it now already. And then, of course, yeah, if you want to label this a 1, 2, 1, 2, your wave 2 can go all the way down to the 886. So we still got room to the downside. And yeah, of course, then if we do that, we will invalidate this wave 4 probably by hitting this 600, and then we will have to shift towards labeling this the ABC and then labeling this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside this C wave. But that's not my main scenario. I mean, it is a main scenario, but not my preferred one. Personally, I want to see this one play out here. Looks also better like this, I think. If we zoom out, while here locally it can be both. You can also label this as a 3-wave move, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an ABC. But we've discussed this already a lot. Still okay. I've written here testing patience, but okay, in the sense that this scenario is still alive. But yeah, it would be nice to open next week strong, okay, and show momentum here. Because if we do one more bad day like this, yeah, we're gonna get into this territory, which is not what you want if you want this more direct scenario to the upside. Okay, and you know the invalidation is here, but already taking this low will be a little bit of a confirmation, because there's no way this is gonna be an ABC with a C wave this short. Okay. That's it on energy fuels. UAC was stronger today, but it's also deeper compared to energy fuels. We're already on this chart below the 0.5. Monday will be important here because the 618 is here at 14.25, and we are nearly at the 886 taken from this low to this high. So if you want to label this a 1-2, we are really at the edge here. Okay. That's why I also have this red count here already on this one. Similar scenarios, either a 1 and a wave 2 still unfolding, or a 1-2 and then working on a secondary 1 and a secondary 2 here. In the case that we're doing this wave 2 here, which I have labeled like this, we want to see a 5-wave move. This is a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside wave 3, then a 4, then a 5. Working our way to this area here is possible and will increase in probabilities if we start next week red. Okay. Now, coming to next week, if you look at the S&P, I'm gonna do a video on it as well, but here to me we have not confirmed, but we have shown weakness today. Okay, also with Nvidia, to me suggesting that we're gonna do this leg down towards here. Also, US Iran, it seems like they're gonna do some shit this weekend. I mean, it's all over the media. So here Germany and France, what is this word in English? I mean, they tell their people not to go to Israel. Also canceling some planes, I think. Now, this is 2 minutes ago. Iran says it's agreeing on not stacking any more like rich uranium. Maybe as a last attempt to stop the war, I guess. In my opinion, this is all nonsense. It's all about oil and about trading oil against the US dollar, in my opinion. I mean, yeah, of course, there will be some uranium stuff as well and nuclear stuff as well, but I don't think that's the main concern. But okay, that's geopolitics. So depending on the news, I think the S&P will follow this roadmap. A, B, C, inside wave Z. Now, today we formed here a 5-wave move down on the S&P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we might be working here on a wave 2 locally, okay? If not, go to the upside should they agree or something. But what I'm trying to say is, if this can just reset, like chill out here a little bit on Monday, Tuesday, maybe that will be the opportunity for these stocks to push here, okay? But if it's bad, we have to prepare for the scenario that we extend the correction, okay, for both of the charts. And then still the chart will look very bullish, okay, on the weekly. There is no problem at all. Yep, still just consolidating. And then this one also just doing a sideways, but not looking too bad again. So yeah, next week important once again for these stocks because they're still on the edge of breaking down a little bit, not crashing, but extending the correction or moving up higher. And I'll keep you updated. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.